Nepal, yes, yes, yes. You know this incident of this Hollywood Robin Williams committed suicide. He was going through depressions apparently. He had what? He was an alcoholic. He had drug abuses. What is everything? 3 times married and divorced. All the wealth in the world, all the name, position, status, everything you had, and yet you find depressed. Something is amiss in their life. What do you gather from that? You've got to. They are powerful examples to set right our thinking. You can learn from their mistakes. We believe there's everything there, but those who got there, you find. In fact, it's a regular issue. You find all these people have same problems. Everybody, all of them. Finish. Okay. So we will.
Guruji,
Yes, sir.
Difference between desires and ambitions. Ambition, desire, are they different or?
Desire always is used with a negative connotation. So whenever they use a desire, it means selfish. So what we are told is we got to transform a desire into an aim or an ambition or a goal. So when you say an aim or an ambition becomes unselfish towards an ideal, which means beyond your own self-centered interest. Something beyond yourself. It has to be beyond yourself. Then it's an ambition. So understand, desire always has a negative connotation in philosophy.